The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Pleasant night, everyone. This is Apostle Elijah Peter Chambers. I want to disclose to everyone that I am freed. I was released 6 o'clock yesterday, and from the prison cell. So I give God the glory, the honor, and the praise. There are some folks who are saying that I'm still in the cell. That's a lie. I'm at home. Alright, and just want to thank the Lord for all that He has done for me, and I have a story to tell. In due season I'll make myself available. Alright, so I'm not in Kingston, I'm in Brownstown. When I came to Brownstown today, people were applauding, people were hugging, people were encouraging me. You're a hero, you are our Moses, you stood for the people, you stood for the church, while those who were seeking my demise, they had their head down headlong in shame and disgrace. But I want to use this medium, to tell those who were negative, forgive them, for they know not what they have done. And I want to tell very one of you who made negative remarks about me, say that I'm a scammer, etc., etc. Listen, I love you with the love of the Lord, and may the Lord bless you. So I'm at home, I am freed, I'm a free man. The inspector said to me, Pastor, we have no evidence, we have no case on you. They're still doing their investigation, and trust me, God turned the thing around for me. So the church is rejoicing. Alright, so bless the Lord. We give Jesus all the praise. If God be for you, who can be against you?
Viewers and subscribers, you see, I heard that Peter Chambers got arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. I asked myself, why? I did some research, read news articles and all these things, and according to the information that I got, it is said that he got arrested because he said some things in a video about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, with Mr. Andrew Holness, that are considered to be threats, or a threat, Anyways, the point is that after I got the information, I asked myself, what the charges are going to be. Yeah, I wondered what the charges are going to be. Now I just presented to you a video that shows Peter Chambers, who said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he got out of police custody. You see? Yeah, he got out of police custody because he said some things that gave me the understanding that it seems as if things might be okay for him. You see? And I know I don't hear what the charges are going to be. So I just said, alright, anyways, let me know what to think about that whole thing. Just to let you know that Peter Chambers got out of police custody. Yeah. Alright, so I have an audio I'm going to present to you. And according to what had been said on social media, it is said that this audio is from the boyfriend of the female who goes by the name of Khanice Jackson, who had been murdered sometime within the month of March, the year 2021. You see? I want to listen to some of the things that he said in this audio. Tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that he said. You see? Take a listen and observe.
Alright, Chris. You see, if you see any picture of when them did find her body, please don't post it up at all. Try to tell people to don't post it up at all. Because I don't want Khanice to be remembered like that. Khanice is a good girl. We don't want her to be remembered like that. Khanice is a sweet, innocent girl. I tell you that. And more emphasize on how the police was all just relaxing in the whole situation. Them just laid back. Half the time, me and my people them have to investigate whole heap of situation. Because you know say we have connection them with it. So I have to make the whole of Jamaica know. So that I have to do. And every time we get information, I send it in the police, send it to multiple of them, detective, superintendent, whoever them be. My chap Andrew Holness probably get a message from me already. And yeah, nothing happen. I'll taxi man. As I said, nobody in our search and they might behave like them are idiot. So I emphasize upon this and more on the whole of Jamaica now. Say yo, them need to change how them deal with them situation. Too much of them little girl here get raped. Too much of them people here in Jamaica go missing. I can't find them. Lucky enough I find Khanice. I can lay her to rest. God bless her soul. I'm just trying to go down that tears because I have to be strong for everybody else around me. You see me?
You know what, viewers and subscribers, you see sometimes when persons are go through certain grief, when them lose a loved one, sometimes persons will say certain things. But you see, at the same time, some of the times you might be surprised to know that certain things that they are saying can be true. You know what I mean? Yeah, it can be true. So when it comes on to this audio, I don't know what to say. You see me, I said to you? Yeah, and that is if the audio actually is from the boyfriend. You understand? You know, because you know, I'm just telling you according to what has been said on social media. Alright? Alright, anyways, you know, I have a video that I'm going to present to you. You see me? And this is just going to be a piece of an entire video, not the entire video, alright? This video is going to show a person who goes by the name of DJ Kentucky, and he said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness, and the police within the country of Jamaica, and other things as well. You see me? I want you to listen to some of the things that he said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that he said as well, alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Andrew Holness, bro God, Mr. Police officers. You can't set me up to do a police nothing. You can't set up a police to do it. Because every time an individual of the country decides to voice them disgust of the situations surrounding you and your work, you try to put a halt, you try to put a ban, you try to put a stop to it. When the people did talk about you tampering with the rainforest, you put a ban on it. See, when the man forgot to go talk, when the artists and the DJ could voice and discuss about how you deal with the entertainment sector, you put a ban on it, no gathering, no this, that, no march without permit. Now the youth them they have farm them little thing and say, boy, them go voice and discuss that with you with what you do right now. Now you can put up image and send out the police. Let me tell you this, daddy. Screenshot this and send it to him. You don't want to push the youth them button in Jamaica. You don't want police versus gunman in Jamaica. Because the youth them is at the brink of getting frustrated. The youth them they are at the brink. And you know within yourself how much gun they are yard. You know how much gun they are yard. So stop set up the police officer them versus. Because you know come out and tell them and say them can't march and them can't do this and them. You so stop set up the youth them. Because you can't make the police go and drape me up and me disrespect the police. All because I vent and voice my opinion. So you're going to tell me that Jamaica have the right. You can't see a country go down in a sinkhole and the people in the country that have no say. You can't set up me and my people. I love police, I love my police and I have too much police friend. You can't set me up me and them. As a matter of fact, I wasn't planning a march. I don't plan a march, I plan a protest. And if you don't know the constitution, you don't know, so then can't tell them so you can't protest. Because a protest is voicing your disgust, you know. And look how ridiculous it be. How you as a Prime Minister know say the country are going to vamp them frustration against you. But yet you don't want to talk. Yet you don't talk about apply for your permit. You think you will grant a permit to a country who is discussed it against you at any given time? So and so laga you go take up your talk about oh blah blah. DJ you not gonna me not plan a march. Me not walk up along the sun hat. You know see me face school where? Me not have time for that. Go back in all time days that maybe I go. All we are going to do right now, people, put on a shirt and we lobby one place and voice your opinion. And if I me like you, Mr. Prime Minister, if I me like you, you would have take your ass, come turn up and hear what people must say. Or listen to your people. Instead of trying to close them out and lock them out and I don't want to hear what they must say. Because a protest means the people are disgruntled. A protest no mean is a dance in my try to eat. And I am saying this, how is it good enough for you? How many never see an amateur? See an armor, I want to record this, it might a little bit longer, record this same thing. How many never see an amateur with information slashed underneath it when it was politician time? When the people in Billa said, bro God, quit the fucking campaign start and the number of them are rise. We still see people that run up and down to Newmarket. We still pass you and your friend them 2 days after people said that. How come you never did that? Why you never put out a tractor? I want your armor truck with the information slash underneath it. In a politics time where the people them beg you. Say quit your campaign. But instead what you do? Come up on TV and ridicule the people them, laugh after them. And take even ownership, take blame for it. Yeah, no, the virus is gonna spike, yes, but what can you, and you're dieting from them sit down and laugh. But now the people in the country, everybody in the country right now, nobody know with you. More than the tool could dieted. I mean, I cause somebody because I don't send that part to him. More than the tool could dieted idiot them. Everybody, me say dieted labor right now too. I don't know everyone of the dieted labor right I say, oh, this don't make no sense. 3/4 what you do is a scam.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, you don't know me Dancehall skilla, but all the day so to keep you up to date and posted, and make you know what go on, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall skilla. Wanna big up on yourself? You see?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla! You are watching Dancehall skilla.